Hello, girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts Zero to Hero series of Python coding using Jetson Nano. Alright, guys, we are on lesson number 41 and I am going to show you something called string format. String format, yes. Now, what is a string format? So this is basically we can combine strings and numbers by using a method called format, F-O-R-M-A-T, with an open bracket and a close bracket, a round bracket. Okay. Now the method format basically takes the arguments, the passed arguments, right, and then it formats them. It then formats and places the changes into the string where the placeholders are. So basically where the placeholders which you are going to learn now. So that will begin with a curly bracket. Okay guys, so remember that's a curly bracket. Let me show you an example how it works. So again, unless until you see the code and do it yourself, you will not understand. So this is not a concept, guys. I'm not showing you any theory. These are all practical real examples. You are doing it yourself. Alright, let me log into my Jetson Nano and I am already logged in. Alright, so let me show you an example of string format. What do we do? Let's create a new Python file. Nano format string. I'm just giving a random name. You can name anything you want. Format string .py. I am into my Nano IDE. Now let's create some variables here, say something different. I'm really bored of A, B and stuff like that. So let's use age equal to say 36, and then I want text. Okay, text equals, I am going to add a string. Now the string should start with double quote. Let's say my name is Hulk. My name is Hulk, comma, and I am. This is where you are going to put a change. How you are going to format with a curly bracket. Okay, you got to put a curly bracket and then put a double quote again to close the string. Now let's say print what? Print the text. How do you use the format method? It's going to be dot format. Okay guys, dot format, and then open the round bracket. What you're going to format? Age. You are going to format the age. Okay, and then close the full bracket because you are going to use the format method in the full bracket of text, and then you are going to format a specific thing called age. All right, let's see how it works. Control O and then enter, then Control X. I am going to execute my Python 3 format string .py. My name is Hulk and I am 36. Got it guys? There you go. Boom. So you know how to format a particular string, right? Using a method called format with a curly brackets. Maybe I think it should be a good idea if I show you another example. Excuse me. So basically guys, the format with a open bracket, the plain bracket, round bracket method basically takes an unlimited number of arguments. It's just not limited to a string or any particular line, and those are placed into the respective placeholders wherever you want to, how many ever quantity you want to. It is just kind of unlimited, right? Let me show you another example. Let's go into our file which we created, which was called nano format string .py. Okay, let me delete this program. Okay, let's say say item number equals to any number, man, 567. Okay, and then let's create a price for that item. Say price equals let's give a Bata price 49.95. Okay, and then let's check it. I'm just thinking, okay, my order is, let's add a string, I want, and then let's format with a curly bracket. Okay, pieces of item, again curly bracket, for, again curly bracket, rupees. Okay, now let's see what happens. Let's close this. Okay, I'm trying to do 3 different formatting here by adding the item number and the price. Let's print. Now print what? Print my order dot format. That's the method you are using, guys, remember, dot format. Now what you're going to format, I want to format my quantity and my item number and then my price. Okay, now I am going to close this, and again I have to put another bracket to close it. Alright guys, let's see if this works. I hope it works. Item number, price, and then my order. Then I am going to add this particular format in 3 different places. Let's see how it works. Control O, enter, Control X. Alright, let's execute this file. Python 3 format string.py. I hope it works. No, it doesn't. What it says? Alright, let me just check line 4. Print my order format. That looks to be fine. Quantity is not defined. What do you mean? Okay, let me just check. Nano format string.py. There you go. I didn't define. Okay, I wanted a quantity, an item number, and a price, but I never defined a quantity. Okay, there are 3 places. Let me define here quantity equal to any number, say 2. Alright, let me just check. Control O, enter, Control X. Okay, Python 3 format string.py. I want 2 pieces of item 567 for 49.95 rupees. There you go, guys. Boom, got it. So I hope this is what it is. Alright guys, this was a simple example, and did you see the kind of simple mistakes I make? You know, that's because it's not intentional, it's unintentional. I want to show you that these kind of mistakes you guys will be doing time and again. So do not get panicked. Go back to your code and logically think, what did you miss, one by one. It's very simple, guys. It just takes a practice. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video, and do please like and subscribe, and I'm going to come back soon in the next video. Bye bye.